Hi! A great way to save money on paper products is to sew earth-friendly cloth napkins. Today, Needlepointers will show you how to sew a super simple everyday cloth napkin. Sewing your own cloth napkins is fun and is an easy sewing project for beginners. The napkin you will learn today is the most commonly way store-bought napkins are finished. Let's get started. Once the fabric is washed and ironed, with a rotary cutter or scissor and ruler, cut an 18 by 18 inch square of fabric. Next, a small portion of each corner will be cut off. When hemming the napkin, the corner would be very bulky and thick if it was left intact. To do this, take your sewing guide, fold the corner toward the center so that it is approximately a half an inch in. Iron it. And then with a scissor, cut off the corner. Continue to cut the other 3 corners. The napkin should look like this so far. A double fold hem will be used to finish the napkin, one side at a time. To hem the first side, place your fabric on the ironing board with the wrong side facing up, and with your handy dandy sewing guide, turn under to the wrong side the edge a half inch. Iron it firmly in place. Fold the fabric again to the wrong side a half an inch. Then pin in several places to hold it in place. Before you sew the hem, it is important to think about the bobbin thread. The color in the bobbin will be visible on the front of the napkin. To sew the first side, edge stitch along the inside fold, this here, back stitching at the beginning and at the end. Don't forget to remove the pins as you're going along. We have a helpful video on how to edge stitch. A link will be in the video and also in the description. The first side is finished. Repeat the process on the other 3 sides. Turn the fabric either clockwise or counterclockwise. Fold the fabric toward the wrong side a half an inch. Press it. Fold again a half inch. Press, pin, and sew. The napkin is done and ready to use. Once you know this technique, you can use it to make tablecloths and table toppers. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. You will find a link below and also in the video. In addition, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of sewing video tutorials and free sewing projects.